How to use Slack shared channels between teams. To use these Slack shared channels between different teams or external organizations, you must use the Slack Connect. This feature allows up to 250 separate companies or workspaces to link in a single channel. So first of all, you have to create or open a channel itself, and make sure that you follow all these steps on your desktop rather than the mobile device, because desktop has much more features available compared to the mobile application. Now, once you're on your desktop and launch the application, go to your left sidebar, then click the plus icon next to the channels and select create a channel. Once you create it, all you have to do is send the invitation to the external teams by their email address or simply their names. Once you have done this, accept the invitation, and admin approval and verification is required. Once you've done so, you can interact securely. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.